Okay, go ahead. Kaylee, open the box.
I'm trying.
Come on.
Uh-oh.
Go ahead, open it. Just open everything up. It's a lot of princess stuff.
What's all this stuff got in common? Oh, look at your hat. I like that.
Can I open these presents?
Can we do this together?
Why?
You just like threw everything. I didn't even look at it. Okay.
Whatever. Let him.
Can I?
Go ahead.
Aww. You're like, heck.
Pretty.
That's very pretty.
The hat really works well.
Hey, Foxy baby. She's lost a little bit of weight. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama, baby. Hi, my baby.
It's a snake.
Grandma Betsy. Yeah, Grandma Betsy. All this mini stuff. Princess.
You have all princess stuff?
We got all mini stuff.
Oh, my God, what? Mickey. Mickey. Whoa.
Cute.
That's
Wow,
pretty.
very pretty. Yeah. Very pretty.
You could be Cinderella and you could be Minnie.
Can I put it on?
Yeah, hold
Let's
on.
finish opening.
You're gonna open for her time. There's something.
There's something in there.
What's that? What's that, Marissa?
No, baby. No, baby.
What is it?
What is it?
It's a Walt Disney World Exchange certificate. 4-day park hoppers.
A 4-day park hopper. You get to go to Disney, Epcot, MGM, Animal Kingdom. We're going to Disney! Hard to believe all at one time. Is that exciting? I don't know what you're going, but yes, you get to go to Disney World.
You too?
Yes. Here, yes.
Hey, look, I got a crown.
Oh. Open that little box.
Open this one.
Open sesame.
Untie it, kid.
Oh my God, I'm looking at it!
What is it?
It's a shop, dine, stay, play gift card.
You get to go spend it at Disney World. From Aunt Betty and Uncle Russ. Now you get to open your bag.
Oh my goodness.
I'm putting this in this box.
This is from Grandma and Grandpa Myers. Here's your wand to go with your outfit.
Let me see it. Oh, pretty.
What else you got in there?
It's a candy
Yeah.
cane. Giant thick peppermint candy. Got one more.
What?
You get to get all the characters' signatures in your autograph book.
Oh my God, it's like the other side!
So when you go around
I
the
still
park
have
and
my
see
other
them all,
one. I
they
still have
sign
my
your
other
book.
one too. I still have my other one too, Mama.
Yeah.
Oh.
Kyle.
Remember when you had yours? You still have it?
Yeah.
I still have my blue one. I still have my blue one.
Yeah, I wonder if we got that.
Kaylee, why don't you ask how we're getting there?
How are we getting there? How are we getting there?
Where am I going? Okay. We're going on next week. You know how we're getting there?
How?
Flying an airplane! They're so excited. That's awesome.
How do we went on an airplane when I was little?
Yep.
That's it.
It's hard to believe, guys.
What if I fall out the window?